Hello, everyone. You're welcome to Quiver Analytics, and this is a short video preparing the Python environment. This is for the course on data science. All right. My name is Timothy, and I'm a data scientist. I've been practicing for over a decade, and I use multiple tools. I use uh, Python, R across like a lot of them, Excel, SQL, and so on. But in this series, we'll be treating Python, and this is the first video. So here I'm going to show you how to prepare the Python environment. We'll be using, we'll be looking at how to prepare, how to download and install the Jupyter environment, and then the Google Colab. Google Colab is the online version. All right, so let's go into it. I'm going to my Google Chrome. I want to download and install Jupyter. To do that, you uh, go to just download Anaconda. So if you are using Windows, for Windows, I'm using Windows. If you are using Apple, iMac, you use whatever. All right, so you make sure you're on the Anaconda website. All right, so download Anaconda distribution. So Anaconda is, so you follow up, you have to sign up. I have done that. I don't have to do that again. So you do a lot of, you just download. Once you download, you sign up first, then the signing up is free. You can see free down. Okay, let's go to free download and see. Yeah, it's still here. So once you sign up, you download. You are able to download. Then it's a little bit. Why I'm doing this video is because downloading and installing takes some time depending on the type of system you have. All right. So once you do that, once you download, you install. So you double click and then install. I mean, just the normal way you install. Just keep accepting and accepting and accepting. All right. But before you do that, before you download Anaconda, the first thing you do is to download Python for Windows. All right, so you can see python.org by JetBrains. So download Python 3. So you do this first. Once you download, you install. See, it's straightforward. Then after downloading is when you go to Anaconda to download. All right, so downloads. Okay, so it's downloading. Once it's done, just double click and you install. So remember, download Python first, then install Python. Download Anaconda first, then install Anaconda. All right, so that's for that. So once you are done, if you come to your stats option here, you click all right, so you click your start button. Sorry for the disturbance. Start button, Anaconda. So this is Jupyter here. So you see different things. If I click on the Anaconda Navigator, you see a lot of interface. Anaconda is for data science projects and more. Basically data science. It's been a while I opened it, so that's why it's rolling like that. All right, so you see Anaconda distribution, and then you see Jupyter. This is what we are interested in, the Jupyter notebook. Now, if you see this logo here, I have it in the taskbar as well. All right, so if I click here, it's the same thing as clicking here. Now, what happens is that now you can see what's happening. So it's running the scripts, the server back at the back end server. It's running it, then it will automatically open. Yeah, so you see it automatically open my what is this called, Microsoft Edge. All right, if you don't have Edge, or you don't want to use Edge, you have the option of come in here to copy. You can see or copy and paste one of these URLs. You can copy one of these URLs and come to Chrome, paste it there. It opens up for you. So this is the Anaconda face, and this is Jupyter. So in the Anaconda, you can see data spell. Sign up. I'm not signing up. Okay. Now you can see the Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook. There are different data science platforms here. You can see R is also here. However, the only thing, then there's PyCharm as well. So the only thing we need here is the Jupyter Notebook here, this Jupyter Notebook. So once the first time you can start it from here. Once you do that, then for me, since I use it frequently, I just put it in the taskbar. I don't have to come all the way here to open it next time. So I'm going to close this. This does not have to be opened. Quit Anaconda, yes. All right, this is what I need. And the Python environment here is what I need as well. All right, now so I can, if I want my scripts to be in the desktop, or okay, no, if I have scripts already in my system, I can navigate to where it is here. We'll get to see that later. If not, you can create a new script here, new. You can see Python 3, and it opens a new Python script for you where you can run your Jupyter Notebook. All right, so why is this taking? Okay, let me do that again. All right, this is not opening. I don't know why, so I'm going to let's come here and copy this, Control C, then I'm pasting it here. All right, so here, new Python 3 kernel. Yep, so this is what we're supposed to have. Let me go and check this if it has opened. Yep, it has opened here too. So these are minor differences. You can see Chrome appears to be faster than Jupyter. It might be different in your own system. All right, so this is Python scripts, and this is what we'll be using in the first class. So once you are able to get to this part, then you are ready for the class. All right, once you get here, you are ready for the class. Then from here we start the class on our live sessions. All right, so in the next video I'm going to be talking about how to use Google Colab, how to use Google Colab. All right, so thank you, and see you in the next video.